guys, welcome to our channel and welcome to today's video. Let me tell you a little story. I just had to put a lot of money in my car, my truck. We have a Honda Pilot and something went wrong with the motor. I don't do cars, so I don't know what it is. All I know is that we took it in and what was supposed to be like a $500 to $600 project ended up being way more, into the couple of thousands. And yeah, so we just got our car back. Last night my husband took the loaner back and got our truck, which I'm super excited because I love my truck. My truck seats 8, and this little loaner that they called an SUV, which was like a hybrid CRV or something, only would seat 5. We have 4 kids and 2 adults, so that's 6. So we couldn't go anywhere together, which we don't a lot anyway, but we do. So we couldn't go to church this Mother's Day, which made me kind of upset. I mean, obviously we're quarantined, but our church was doing a Mother's Day drive-in service and I was looking forward to going and we couldn't go. So anyway, I'm happy to have my truck back, but before it went in, it needed cleaned, and it needs cleaned even more now. So I will show you the before. I'm going to turn you around and show you the before, and then we will go ahead and clean the inside of this truck. And I hope this gives you just a little bit of cleaning motivation to clean the inside of your car. Like this video if you like it, subscribe if you are not, leave some comments of some videos you'd like me to do. I am home during this quarantine stuff we're doing, and my job, I work at a school. We are not in school, so I have a lot of time on my hands, and homeschooling is just about to be over. So I would like to do some videos for you guys. If you'd like to see some motivation, just let me know what you'd like to see and I will see if I can get it up for you. All right, let's clean this car. Okay, so here's the front, just dusty. There's my phone that's going off like crazy. We have some stuff down there. I have sandwich bags because I've been putting my phone in a sandwich bag when I go into stores. My garbage bag, paperwork from the shop, and then here's all my stuff that I had in here when it went in. And then from being quarantined, we have our masks and just a bunch of stuff that kind of needs organized. Let me take the keys out so they don't ding us to death. And my side is for the most part clean. I have a few things down there. I do need to go and wash the mats. I'll probably do today. Back here, my daughter is dropping off to her friend today, and then we just have a bunch of stuff I was gonna donate. I'm just gonna pitch it. A bowl I need to take back to my mom, garbage bags, stuff like that. Back here, stuff from grocery shopping that my son put in there because he thought I was gonna put my groceries in there. No, look how dirty it is. So just random stuff. So let's get to cleaning, shall we? Okay, so starting off, I am just clearing out all of the garbage. Sorry, I'm kind of off to the side, but I am just gathering all of the garbage, and I have a garbage bag, and I'm just tossing it all in there, and then setting stuff aside that I need to take into the house. Okay, so here I just have some alcohol in a spray bottle. I don't normally do this, obviously, but because of the virus stuff going on And because the car was in the shop and I don't know who was touching it, I just sprayed it down. And then I took this Lysol with peroxide and I just kind of sprayed everything down. And then I'll take my wipes from the Dollar Tree and I'm just gonna wipe everything down. So I did the alcohol, then the Lysol, and now I'm wiping it down. I'm just using these Dollar Tree disinfecting wipes because I didn't really want to, I wanted to use something wet. I didn't want to use a dry paper towel. But then I did go in with dry paper towels after and dried off some of the spots that I needed to kind of buff out a little bit. Here I am taking the same Lysol spray and I am just spraying down the passenger door and the passenger side of the dashboard, and then I am taking paper towels and I am wiping them down. And look at all that junk. Actually, what I did was I went ahead and cleaned out the glove compartment too. So this has everything from the glove compartment, everything from the center console, everything from like my cup holders and all of that. And then I just sat down in my driver's seat, look at my mismatched outfit, and I'm just going through it all. Things that I need to take inside, I'm setting aside in my driver's side door. And then I'm taking all of the owner's manuals and putting them back in the baggie and da-da-da-da-da. So I am just sorting through everything piece by piece. Now here we are in the back seat, which is a horrible, horrible disaster of a mess. And I'm moving the seats up so that I can like get really close, like really under the seats. And then I am just going to start cleaning out the back seat. The one thing about this truck that I do like is everything is leather. So I just take that Lysol spray and I am just spraying everything down. The back seats, the front seats, I mean everything is leather except for the floor. So I am just spraying and going at it.
Take me in the smoke, breathe me in and let me go. Sink to your heart to find you. Open up your eyes till you're blinded by the lies, so you can see what you do. Restless every time we start locking eyes. Lost control. Oh, it's paradise with honesty, but I'm in the dead of the night. Teardrops on the floor. The pain is over. Feel the darkness take control.
And if you have ever deep cleaned your car before, I'm sure you have seen this type of mess. Yes, this was the back seats. There was dog hair, there was kid hair, there was dirt and grime and crumbs. So since this area was so gross, I went ahead and went over it a second time, cleaning it really good. And then I do need to vacuum it at the end because of all that nastiness. And we have arrived to the back seat where I will clear out everything, take all the seats and fold them down, and then get inside and actually like spray and clean it really good. And then in the end, I will vacuum it all and it will be all nice and gorgeous again.
Every time I'm going out, the same things keep happening. New boy, same tricks. Coming close.
Okay, so now it is several days, like 3 or 4 later, and I am finally getting to vacuum the truck. We have had a lot of rainy weather here, which I'm sure from what I've seen, a lot of other people have had too. So it took me a few days to get the car vacuumed. But here we are, and we are going to finish it all up today.
Someone else with ya, with ya. You got nothing on me, on me. You got nothing on me, on me. You got nothing on me, on me. I'm looking like a movie star. You try to pick me up in your new sports car. I think it's called a Jaguar. I don't give a damn, I got money on my mind. I can see you want me bad, but your pretty moves kinda make me sad. Oh boy, you must be mad. You got nothing on me 'cause I look too hot. You got nothing on me 'cause I look too hot. You're trying to impress me, but I don't care about your Rolex or your credit card. Rolex or your credit card. Still you won't quit trying to be cool, so here we go again. Here we go again, again, again. You got nothing on me, on me. You got nothing on me, on me. You got nothing on me, on me. I'm looking like a movie star. You try to pick me up in your new sports car. I think it's called a Jaguar. I don't give a damn, I got money on my mind. I can see you want me bad, but your pretty moves kinda make me sad. Oh boy, you must be mad. You got nothing on me 'cause I look too hot. You got nothing on me 'cause I look too hot. You got nothing on me 'cause I look too hot. Trying to find my dreams and I don't like your cheap tricks. Take it somewhere else, would ya? Would ya? I don't know
Those
what
you can just put in the back
think,
seat.
but I'm not one of those chicks. Take it somewhere else, would ya? Would ya?